All right. So today was an interesting morning. I met up with an old friend, Oliver, and we went around Manila and talked and shoot. So it's gonna be a different video today, a lot more like a vlog. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So as you can see, we are in Rizal Park, and I am with a friend who is back there. Got Ollie back there, and we're gonna go around and take some shots. Another nice interesting tip. Ences have what they call a sweet spot. So parang diba, ang widest is 5.6. Parang it's at the wide open, you get more light. And it's not the better speed. What won't be the best quality picture? So parang ito 1.8. Pero yung aperture niya, you usually want to go down. If it's 1.8, I want to go down to 2.8.
Sabi ko, kami magkakaklase ng college. Sana magkaroon ng camera na lalagyan mo lang ng disket tapos automatic makikita mo.
Which they did.
Yung
Sony was a disket loaded.
Lumabas yun ng mga early 2000 yata or late 90s. Ibang kalayo yung lugar na yun. Tanga.